The cabin air filter in the 2019-2023 Mazda 3 is located behind the passenger side glove box. Open the glove box fully. Depress the stop tabs or clips on either side to release the glove box door, allowing it to swing down completely. You'll see a plastic housing underneath. This is the filter housing. Unclip or unscrew the housing cover. No tools are typically needed, though a screwdriver might help with stubborn clips. Carefully pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow. This is crucial for installing the new filter correctly. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow matches the direction you noted on the old filter. A snug fit is important to prevent air leaks. Reattach the housing cover, making sure the clips or screws are secure to prevent any rattling noises during driving. Return the glove box to its original position and push it in firmly to re-engage the stop tabs that hold it in place. Test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and that the filter is functioning correctly. Consider replacing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, especially if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. Regular replacement improves air quality, AC efficiency, and can prevent musty odors.